Good morning. So guys, if you're wondering why he is naked, it's because we got out of our PJs and we're gonna get dressed for the day and we got to do a diaper change. So today I'm gonna kind of do like a day in my life of a mommy and some cleaning. So yeah, just follow along me and Hunter's day. Good morning, guys. Say good morning. So as I said earlier, we are doing like a day in my life cleaning thing. Oh, and Hunter's life. You looked at me like, me too, mommy. So yeah, we are going to do that, and the first thing we really do in the morning is just sit down and watch some cartoons. And if it looks like we just woke up, it's because we did. So yeah. He just noticed the logo. We're gonna have, and now we're in this pride. You're the bacon. So while he's watching cartoons, I usually will try to put him down in whatever he feels like going in, and then I will edit a video or check some social media. But right now I'm going to edit a video which will be probably up before this one. It's a Halloween video. So yeah, that's what we're doing right now. Just took the dog outside to a portable dog groomers. And yeah, I'm still editing my video. Baby's still watching TV. Just uploaded some Fall Festival pics on Facebook. Hi. He never likes to walk in this. He walked in it like one time, which I'll try to insert that here. Other than that, he only likes to go backwards, right? Yeah. I see you walking. See you walk when Mama's not looking. But I caught you. So I'm going to show you guys the baby's room because I'm about to start cleaning it and moving it around and all that stuff. And it looks really dirty right now because we put a new dresser in here. So some of the stuff that were in that corner are kind of scattered. So yeah, don't even mind the mess because we are about to clean it up. So here we have the dresser, and this is just stuff I showed my sister from the Halloween store. And yeah, that's why it looks so messy right there. This is the new dresser I was talking about, which I have to find a place to put because I don't quite like it there. And then we have this play area, this crib and stuff. And yeah. Messes, messes, messes. So I'm going to show you guys what the room looks like after. And here's a better view. I just flipped the camera around real quick to show you all these messes that I am going to clean up. So let's get started. course, right when I start cleaning, baby starts crying. What's wrong? What's wrong? Oh, you want the plastic, huh? No. Where'd you throw your passy? Now I have to go clean his passy so I can finish cleaning. Dog just got groomed. Looking cute. Cute, cute. Right, Yogi? You look so handsome. The baby loves the dog. So we already had to stop cleaning because someone did a poopy. Right? Yeah. You stink? So we're gonna change this diaper and then we're gonna get back to cleaning your room, right? Hunter? So we stopped cleaning again to feed this baby some bananas because that's what we have for today. Here we go. He loves bananas. This is his new little high chair I bought him. It's not really a high chair, but it's one of those that straps to the seat. Look at them. Show them your banana face. As you can see behind me, I'm working on moving everything around, sweeping, mopping the floor. So yeah, it's getting there. Slowly but surely, we're getting there. Huh? So I'm gonna feed him the rest of this food and then we're gonna go back to cleaning and he's gonna watch some Mickey Mouse Clubhouse in his playpen. Right? He's like, no, I'm not. You want that? Yeah? Mommy can eat it. Okay, here. I'll give you a bite, I guess. Yummy. Take 3, break. Room still not done. Gotta feed the baby. We are still breastfeeding, so yes, we are going to do that. So he's getting grumpy, and maybe he'll even take a nap. So this is what I got so far. I just left that there. I pushed the crib that was over here down that way. That way I can put these two things next to each other. I know they don't match, but it will have to do for now. And then I'm just gonna try to put the play area all right here. So yeah, that should work out. Just put this baby to take a nap, and now I'm gonna go finish his room that I still have not finished. I promise I am gonna get ready soon and not look such a mess, but I wanted to show you guys the room before HJ has a sippy cup for the very first time. So let me show you the room first. So I did not go into detail of the baby's room because I do have a baby room tour up on my channel, so go check it out. And yeah, now we're gonna go give the baby a sippy cup. Hey. Hello, what are you doing? You want this? You want to explore it? See, oh, you already know. You're so smart. I just put water in it. Are you drinking it? Oh, he doesn't want to let go. Oh. Is that good? You gotta hold it with your hands. Oh my goodness, he's got this. I swear he's never even seen this bottle before. Good job. Oh my goodness. You gotta grab it with the handles like this. I love you. Anyway, guys, it is the next day, and I totally forgot to end yesterday's little... Aww. I totally forgot to end yesterday's little vlog. What we were doing last night, we went to dinner with some family, and we just had some fun, so I totally forgot. We knocked out when we got home. But yeah, so I'm going to end this here. Thank you for watching another video with H&H. Make sure to like, share, and subscribe, and we will be back with more videos. Goodbye. Say bye-bye. His eyes look so beautiful in this lighting. Okay, bye guys.